Morning. It is 28 degrees. Got a light snow overnight, so we're gonna head out and do our morning chores. This will be. It's always a challenge to know what to do with the camera. So, as I was saying, this big tree that's over our chicken coop, the reason that it's up there, in the summer it gets kind of warm, so we put the run specifically around that tree and put the coop where it is, because here on our property we have hawks. We have turkey vultures, and in the past years we've lost an entire flock overnight or afternoon. So a lot of why we've designed things the way we have is because it's for the safety of the animals. I just love listening to them in the morning. So that's why we have our run under a tree. And we used to free range our chickens, truly free range, where they could just run the farm. And unfortunately, we have one too many critters, and we would lose them one by one, day by day. It's just the reality of where we live. There's just one too many predators for our flock. We have a couple that get out, and they free range on their own, but they're smart, and they go back in at night. Not all of them are the smartest ones we've ever had. So, alright, we need to move on. I got a couple of other things to do this morning with the ducks, so we'll get to that. Come on. She doesn't want to run this morning. All right. This is hay we grew on our farm. I'm going to run a couple of these down to the chickens. It's colder than I gave it credit. My fingers are frozen. Oh, come on. Open up their water for them. Okay. Good morning. You guys coming out? Yeah, it's warm in that coop, isn't it? Now let's go check out the other peeps. Grab my hay. Good morning, guys. Yeah. Nobody wants to come out this morning. It's really cold, isn't it? There you go. Yeah, I know. Ooh, no, you're not going out. I just gotta check. Yeah, you guys are good. Still got food and water. Have fun with it this morning. And I'm cold, so we're pretty much done. Just gotta throw off the other bales so that they're down here. The ducks still haven't come out. They're like, it's warm in there. I'm not coming out. Alrighty. Off to the rest of the day. Came back over to see if any of our girls are going to come out. Well, they like the hay. They'll spread that all over the yard. Oh. I hear the ducks now. They're just like us. When it's warm in the coop, and we've got lights in the coop, so it keeps it a little bit warmer in there. Each of them has a light. They're just like us. They don't want to get out of bed in the morning. They don't want to go out where it's cold when it's nice and warm inside. So, alright. The ducks are out. We'll see if we can sneak up on them. Yeah, they're just camera shy. I can't. It blows my mind. All summer long, again, like I was saying about the chickens, we normally let our ducks run loose. In fact, our ducks are our favorite part of our garden because they do a great job of keeping squash bugs at bay, and they don't damage the fruit. But in the winter, because there's no cover, we've already lost several to hawks. They just come right in and help themselves to dinner. So that's why we have the hutch, so they can hide in that during the day, but they still have outdoor space. But comes summer, they'll be out, they'll be running all over the farm. They're comical. They're just a blast to watch. So, all right, now I really need to head to work. Take care.